Excellency, the Honorable Minister of the Federal Capital Territory of Nigeria, and our hosts, our former governor of Rivers State, Your Excellencies, respected chiefs, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I was tempted to start dancing because of the eloquent introduction given by the compere. And then I remembered what Ter Magnus, my loyal and dedicated colleague at the bar, had said. I see the senator from Abuja, Philip Aduda. My brother, welcome. You know, in 1 or 2 days, a lot of difference can happen in the landscape. I am an authentic legal luminary. Not a so-called legal luminary. I have been at the bar for 46 years. I was elevated to the rank of Senior Advocate of Nigeria in 1995. I became President of the Nigerian Bar Association in the year 2000. Long after I had served as Attorney General and Commissioner of Justice of Rivers State from 1990 to 1992. And then I served in the Federal Judicial Service Commission and the National Judicial Council. I've been chairman of the Council of Legal Education and chairman of the Body of Benchers. I was pained when somebody said, so-called legal luminaries. No name was mentioned, but even before I knew it, come and see social media. My learned friend, the senator, as I call him, Chief Frank Oho, had to send me some clips where people were already rising in defense of the person they called so-called legal luminary. I remember vividly, I'm not here to sing my own praises, because you see, Ikwere people have a saying that nobody should start singing his praises, because they said, no, that when a shoot has germinated, it will grow into a tree and it will have branches. But you know, we are in a time when people will not listen and hear words of wisdom. Anybody who read the judgment of the Court of Appeal a few days ago, one telling statement, it is a joke taken too far for 3 persons to say that they are the legislature of the Rivers State. A joke taken too far. Look at the legislatures of Rivers State, led by Honorable Martin Chike Amehule, Deputy Speaker Dumle Mao, my little friend, my brother Mekapuye Jack. Your name is Yahweh. Your name is Yahweh. You are the miracle working God. Your name is Yahweh. So, all of us, the good people of Rivers State, patriotic citizens of Rivers State, stand in solidarity with you the authentic legislature in Rivers State. Sadly, the wheels of justice in Nigeria turn slowly, rather too slowly, for our comfort. But my word to you is persevere. Judgment day is coming. Judgment day is coming. And we will know on whose side the law is. For me as an individual and as your brother from Oresara in Obio, I assure you, my brother Martin, that God is on your side. I also assure you that the law is on your side. Let us allow the Supreme Court to decide the matter. Thank you all. And may we all continue to pray for our authentic legislature. May God bless us all.
Martin Sanewule for maintaining that group that has not shifted after everything has been done to shift from that group. Martin Sanewule, I congratulate you on your members, and I assure you God is on your side. Your Excellency, let me also assure you that your labors will not be in vain. Thank you very much.
Chief Ferdinand Alagraba, and that is the Chairman of the Rivers PDP Elders Forum. Please, a round of applause once again for him. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, my Bible tells me that the great Apostle Paul lived all his life with a thorn in his flesh, that no matter how he prayed, and we know that Apostle Paul did many miracles in the Bible, but the thorn in his flesh, he lived all his life and died with it, and God did not heal him. The man I'm about to bring up is a man who can be your biggest ally, your strongest supporter, but it can also be that thorn in your flesh, like Apostle Paul, that only God in his mercy can heal. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, join me as I welcome the man who has graciously hosted the assembly members led by Honorable Martin Amehule, none other than the former governor of Rivers State, the Honorable Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, His Excellency, Chief Barrister Nyeso Ezekumo, Commander of the Order of the Niger, Grand Service Star of Rivers State.